Nitesh Rane has tweeted yet another big charge. Nitesh Rane, who's from the BJP, says it's not even about Kangana and the BMC. He goes on to say, and I quote from his tweet again, it's about anyone who is talking or supporting Hindutva. They are the targets while others are spared. Unfortunately, Balasaheb Shiv Sena is leading the pack. Sad. That's what the tweet said. Exactly. That's Nitesh Rane of the BJP. Let's go back to Mohit Bhatt on this. Mohit, the BJP now upping the attack as far as the BMC and the Agadi are concerned. It has now become overtly political. And unfortunately, Mr. Rane, who has just tweeted right now, he says it's not about politics, but his tweet is entirely political. This is going to escalate now.
Well, Athar, it's completely political now. We know for a fact that how BJP over here is in the opposition and Mahavikas Agadi government is in power, and it seems that BJP will up the ante against the BMC, Mumbai police and the government, because it's a clear political fight. We know for a fact that how BJP supported the stand of Kangana Ranaut since starting, and then we know for a fact that how Kangana Ranaut has hit out at Shiv Sena leaders, he has hit out at Sanjay Raut, she has hit out at the Congress leader. A privilege motion was moved against her again in the assembly. So it has become quite political. We see that the BJP leaders are coming out and they are blaming the Mahavikas Agadi government. But the question over here is that Shiv Sena and the Mahavikas Agadi government, they have been saying this, that the central government is using all the agencies, be it CBI, ED, to chalk out their political vendetta. But it seems that in this case, BMC and Mumbai police, which comes under the state government, they are being used against Kangana Ranaut to chalk out the agenda of the Mahavikas Agadi government, because she was the one who stood against them. Look at these visuals. We'll be on these visuals. I'll ask the camera person Karthik to just stand over here, and these are the exclusive visuals, Athar, that as of now we are showing. There was a complete porch over here, there was a wall over here. It has been completely demolished by the BMC. Now inside there was a proper construction, and Athar, we have been saying this, that you come out, they demolish all the illegal constructions. But where were you when this was taking place? Where were you from past many months? Because it has been not done overnight. It was here from past many months. But then because Kangana Ranaut spoke against the government, because Kangana Ranaut gave challenge to Sanjay Raut, because Kangana Ranaut said that she is coming to Mumbai, and is it a coincidence, Athar, that the day when Kangana Ranaut is coming to Mumbai, she is landing in Mumbai, this demolition has taken place. Look at the debris over here, Athar. I'd just like to show you all these visuals. There was a complete porch over here of a concrete structure. There was a shed over here. It has been completely demolished. Not just this, Athar, if my camera person can show you these windows, they were really stuttering when the demolition was going on inside. So not just from the outside, it has been demolished from the inside. And the question that we want to ask the BMC and the police officials is that when the team of Kangana Ranaut reached over here, why did they ran away? Why did they stop the demolition work? Because Kangana Ranaut,
the BMC officials and the Agadi will have to answer, Mohit. Stay on with us, keep getting us the exclusive visuals, but we do have some reactions lined up on the broadcast.
The swiftness with which the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has acted as far as Kangana Ranaut's office is concerned, I call upon the Mumbai Municipal Corporation to act with the same swiftness and vigor as far as all complaints of illegal constructions and alterations are concerned. So a list of illegal alteration and constructions is pending with the most corrupt building and factory department of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation.
इस जल्दबाजी के साथ आज सुबह महानगर पालिका के अधिकारी पुलिस कर्मचारियों के साथ पहुंच गए हैं और वो अनऑथराइज कंस्ट्रक्शन को डेमोलिशन करने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। मैं महानगर पालिका के कमिश्नर और उनके अधिकारियों को यह बताना चाहता हूं कि बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने यह निर्णय दिया है कि कोविड सिचुएशन के कारण 30 सितंबर तक किसी को भी डिस्पोजेस नहीं किया जाएगा, कोई भी डेमोलिशन नहीं किया जाएगा। और यह आदेश महानगर पालिका के कमिश्नर और अधिकारियों को पूरी तरह से ज्ञात है। यह आदेश पूरे महाराष्ट्र में लागू होता है और इसीलिए अपनी राजनीति रोटी सेकने के लिए वो कंगना रनावत जी के बंगले का डेमोलिशन रोक दे, वरना यह कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट माना जाएगा।